Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a cleaner, distraction-free charting experience on TradingView, you've probably noticed the price scale on the right can sometimes get in the way. Today, I'll show you step by step how to hide that price scale using the most up-to-date method for TradingView in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your charts look minimalist and professional, perfect for focusing on the data that matters. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in and head over to TradingView. Just open up your preferred browser and type in TradingView.com or use the TradingView app if you have that installed. If you're already working on a chart, you're ready to move on. But if not, choose the workspace or chart layout you want to use so we're all starting from the same place. Now, once you're on TradingView, you'll want to select the product or asset that you want to work with. That could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, a forex pair, whatever you're interested in studying right now. Simply search for the symbol in the upper left, select it, and load up its chart so you're looking at the grid view. If you're working with multiple charts, just pick the one where you want the change to happen. Next, move your mouse over to the main charts grid area, the space where the actual price movement is displayed, and right-click anywhere on that grid. Not on the price scale itself, not on any indicator, but right on the main chart background. This right-click is how you open up the contextual menu with extra options that aren't always visible otherwise. If you accidentally click on something else, don't worry, just try again. In that menu, go ahead and look for Settings, then select Canvas. This is where the core visual options for your chart's appearance live. The Canvas section controls how the overall chart looks, sort of like the background paint on a canvas before you start a painting. Adjusting this is usually how you make your TradingView workspace feel customized and personal. Now take a moment to look for the setting labeled Text Color. It might look subtle, but this is the key to hiding the price scale. Click on Text Color and you'll get a color picker window. Here's the little trick. What we want to do is set the opacity to 0. On most browsers or devices, that's usually represented by a slider labeled Opacity, or you may need to drag the transparency slider all the way to the left. By making the text fully transparent, the numbers and labels on your price scale completely disappear, but the functional price scale itself is still there for alignment if you need it. It's kind of like using invisible ink. What's important is still there, but out of sight and out of mind. Once you've got the opacity to 0, all that's left is to press OK. This saves your changes instantly. You'll notice right away that your price scale labels are gone and your chart looks so much cleaner. If you ever want to bring the price scale back, just repeat these steps and set the opacity to 100% again. Super easy, no harm done, and that's really all there is to it. This customization makes your charts look neat and focused, whether you're recording videos, sharing screenshots with friends, or just want less visual clutter. If it took you a couple tries, don't stress. These settings can seem hidden, but once you know where to look, it's a quick tweak. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I read every comment and I'm here to help. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more straightforward TradingView tips and other trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.